Using your bicycle as part of your transit trip plan is easy. Here's your Mobility Minute. You can combine bicycle trips with bus trips to make it further. All SETD fixture buses have bike racks on the front, so you can take your bicycle with you. But keep in mind that these racks usually only fit 2 or 3 bicycles. Some bus stops and other transit centers in Oregon also offer secure bicycle parking to leave your bicycle safely secured at the center. Keep in mind that most buses can't take large cargo bikes, adult tricycles, tandems, or bicycles with trailers. Bus drivers often have to pull across or into bicycle lanes at bus stops. However, they should yield to the people in the bicycle lane before pulling over to stop. Remember, a cyclist can move into the traffic lane to pass a bus if the bus is stopped in the bicycle lane, but please be extremely careful when doing this and ride defensively at all the times. If there is a bus pullout, you can ride past the bus in the bicycle lane, but when the bus leaves the stop and turns on its blinkers, vehicles, including bicycles, should yield to the bus. Time to get out there and go somewhere. But remember, always wear bright clothing and keep your bike well lit.